Beginning March 1st, Michigan's food processing and agricultural workers can receive the COVID-19 vaccine. Since the announcement last week, the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services and the Michigan Department of Agriculture and Rural Development have clarified what defines a food and ag worker for the purpose of vaccinations.
MDHHS orders has a very specific meaning, so it means a worker that has to work within 6 feet of another worker or interacts with the general public. Vaccinations are going to be prioritized specifically to agriculture and food processing workers that must work in these confined areas with other workers. So I think that's helpful, and just understanding what workers are going to be most eligible, I think, as we move forward.
MDARD says people working in meat processing and meatpacking facilities are a top priority for the vaccine because they work in close proximity to one another. Farmers and farm workers, including migrant and seasonal workers, are also top priorities.
In moving this order out, I think they noted two things, right? So they noted these vulnerable points in our supply chain that are, really beneficial to this broader society as a whole. They don't want to see, food shortages and empty shelves and things like we saw last spring. And I think that's, a major priority. And then the second, portion of their order is related to areas where they've seen spread and risk. And so, as we saw last spring, there was, some food manufacturers, some migrant and seasonal worker communities where we did see, outbreaks of the virus. And so that was something they also wanted to focus on mitigating that risk. So I think those are the two reasons, some recognition of the risk involved, and then the importance of agriculture.
Frontline workers are encouraged to reach out to their local health department to receive their vaccines.